The former Attorney General of the Federation, Abubakar Malami, has finally been granted bail by a federal high court in Abuja, and the drama surrounding this case is absolutely gripping. This development comes after Malami appeared before Justice Emeka Nwite to answer charges brought against him by the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission. And what unfolded in that courtroom has left many Nigerians talking. The judge granted Malami bail in the sum of 500 million naira with two sureties in like sum. But here is where things get really interesting. The court made it crystal clear that one of those sureties must be a civil servant on grade level 16 or above, someone with landed property within the jurisdiction of the court, and both sureties must provide affidavits of means along with 3 years tax clearance certificates. Now that is what you call strict conditions. But the story does not end there because Malami is not facing these charges alone. His son, Abdulaziz Abubakar Malami, and his wife were also arraigned alongside him, and they too have been granted bail. The son got bail set at 300 million naira, while the wife secured bail at 700 million naira, bringing the total bail amount for the family to a staggering 1.5 billion naira. Let that sink in for a moment. 1.5 billion naira in total bail for one family. This tells you just how serious the charges against them must be, and indeed, the EFCC has accused them of conspiracy, theft, breach of trust, and receiving stolen property to the tune of billions of naira during Malami's tenure as Attorney General. The allegations paint a picture of systematic misuse of office and funds, and the anti-corruption agency is clearly not pulling any punches with this prosecution. What really caught everyone's attention during the court proceedings was the stern warning Justice Nwite issued to Malami and his lawyers. The judge made it abundantly clear that he expects full compliance with the bail conditions and proper conduct throughout the trial. This warning suggests that the court is watching this case very closely and will not tolerate any attempt to undermine the judicial process. Until Malami and his family members meet these stringent bail conditions, they will remain in custody at KUJE Correctional Center, which is where many high-profile defendants have found themselves in recent times. The weight of these charges and the severity of the bail conditions show that this case is far from over, and Nigerians will be watching very closely to see how it unfolds. The implications are massive because Malami served as one of the most powerful legal officers in the country, and seeing someone of his standing facing such serious allegations reminds everyone that nobody should be above the law. If you are enjoying this breakdown of what is really happening with this case, please take a second to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you never miss updates on cases like this that affect our nation. The question many people are asking now is whether Malami and his family members will be able to meet these bail conditions quickly, or whether they will spend more time in custody while they arrange the necessary documentation and sureties. Finding civil servants willing to stand as sureties in cases involving such huge amounts and serious charges is never easy, and the requirement for landed property within the court's jurisdiction adds another layer of complexity. This case also raises broader questions about accountability and transparency in government, especially when it involves someone who was supposed to be the chief law officer of the Federation. How did these alleged infractions happen under the watch of someone tasked with upholding the law? These are conversations Nigerians are having across social media platforms and in their homes, and rightfully so. The timing of this case is also significant because it comes at a period when the current administration has been emphasizing its commitment to fighting corruption and ensuring that past officials account for their actions while in office. Whether this prosecution leads to convictions or not, the fact that such a prominent figure is standing trial sends a strong message. The legal battle ahead promises to be intense, with Malami's legal team likely to mount a robust defense, while the EFCC presents what it believes is damning evidence of financial impropriety. Court watchers and legal analysts will be following every hearing, every motion, every development, because cases of this magnitude often set precedents and test the strength of our judicial system. For now, the immediate focus is on whether the bail conditions will be met and when Malami and his family members will regain their freedom pending trial. What do you think about this case? Do you believe the bail conditions are fair given the nature of the allegations, or do you think they are too harsh? Drop your thoughts in the comment section below because we love hearing from you. And don't forget to turn on notifications so you are always first to know when we bring you the latest updates on this story and other important news affecting Nigeria.